It is not over with for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is going to continue to pump. Even as I am speaking, Dogecoin just broke 6 cents, and Dogecoin is possibly going to pump to 6.5 cents within the next couple of days or within the next hour. I'm not sure, but I am certainly expecting another major pump for Dogecoin. There's a lot of catalysts that are going to potentially bring Dogecoin to the moon. Mark Cuban says that Dogecoin could possibly hit even $10. I thought $1 was somewhat of a long shot, but Mark Cuban is saying $10. Guys, there has been a winner for last week's Dogecoin giveaway. I already gave them the 1000 Doge, and this week I'm going to be doing another 1000 Dogecoin giveaway. So make sure you guys stay until the end of the video because I have some very important information that you cannot miss. All right, guys, let's everyone smash the like buttons for Dogecoin so that Dogecoin can get to the moon, and put in the comments below, what is your price prediction? Your price prediction for Dogecoin the end of the month of April. What's up, guys? My name is Myles. I'm an expert in technical analysis, investing, and trading. And in this channel, I talk about Dogecoin and other altcoins. So if you guys want to make a lot of money in cryptocurrency, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss my time-sensitive videos. Also, guys, if you want to join the Discord, you can do so through the Patreon. The link will be in the description below. But in the Discord, I'm giving out my private trade alerts for cryptocurrencies and stocks. We're making a lot of money, and then we have over 800 active people. So go ahead and check that out at the link in the description below. Also, with my Patreon, I have a bunch of other services that help people build portfolios, investment strategies, and many more things. You can check that out in the link as well. All right, so currently Dogecoin is absolutely pumping. We just broke 6 cents, like I said, and congratulations to Eric Skirt. I sent him the 1000 Doge giveaway, and it all happened because he liked, comment, he subscribed to the channel, and he also followed my Instagram and Twitter. That was not necessary, but for this week, if you want to win the 1000 Doge, make sure you follow my Instagram and Twitter, subscribe to my channel, like and comment in this video, and it will give you a very high chance of winning. All right, so we have Dogecoin pumping. There's no one crazily tweeting about Doge. Elon Musk has not tweeted, but we are seeing a pump. It's because it is altcoin season now. And altcoin season is when we see these altcoins absolutely pump and just do incredible things. We're seeing BTT up like 1000% in what, a week or a month as it is. We're seeing a lot of other cryptocurrencies like Polkadot, some of these other cryptocurrencies that I've called out in my premium Discord group. And people were able to make a lot of money within just the last couple of days. But we're seeing a lot of altcoins pump, and it is altcoin season. And what we can do is we can take a look at this altcoin season index, and all of these indicators are letting us know that we are in altcoin season. And what does it mean when we are in altcoin season? It means that when we are in altcoin season, that altcoins are pumping and pretty much outperforming Bitcoin and some of the bigger cryptocurrencies, and anything other than Bitcoin is an altcoin. But guys, look at this index. We are in the 100 range. It's absolutely incredible for the month of April. But we are just at the couple of days in April, and look, just a couple of days in April, we are seeing massive pumps above this altcoin season line. And whenever we are above this line, it shows us that altcoins are going to continue to pump. And whenever we get below it, altcoins are just not going to perform as much. But whenever we get below it, we will see Bitcoin pumping and doing absolutely crazy things. So who knows how long altcoin season is going to last. I'm going to keep you guys updated with this index and these charts, because we must be aware of altcoin season if we are expecting, if we are investing, if we are trading Dogecoin. And guys, check this out. Elon Musk is actually creating a giant Doge on the Texas Gigafactory. Look at this. He's created a Doge in the factory so that people from the moon can potentially see this dog. Elon Musk is going to continue to pump Dogecoin, but I think Elon Musk is being pretty strategic when he pumps things, because it was a while before he pumped Dogecoin. Before what it was a few days ago when Dogecoin surged 30%. That was absolutely amazing. I seen it live. A lot of you guys saw it live. But Elon Musk is still going to pump Dogecoin up. But like I said, I think he's going to be continuing to be strategic. He's waiting for these opportune moments when Dogecoin just kind of falls off a little bit, when it kind of goes sideways. And then he's going to send out these tweets so that he can continue to help bring awareness and pump Dogecoin to the moon so that we can get Dogecoin to $1. All right, let's look at this incredible piece of news. Mark Cuban thinks Dogecoin could go to $1, but could it get to $10? Mark Cuban actually says that Dogecoin could potentially hit $10. That'll certainly be some time from now. But something he said last month is he said he sees a way for Dogecoin to get to $1. And this is a billionaire. This guy is an expert. He is a genius when it comes to business, and he understands how Dogecoin can get to $1. And that is going to be through massive adoption of businesses using and accepting payments for Dogecoin, which the Dallas Mavericks, something that he owns, an NBA team, is accepting. There's other companies and businesses each and every day that are continuing to accept payments of Dogecoin. So what that causes is that it causes people to buy Dogecoin, and then it causes these people to receive it. So there's more people getting involved. There's two different parties getting involved whenever there is a Dogecoin transaction. There's one who has to buy it in order to send it, and then there's a receiver. And these people that are receiving Dogecoin, they're not selling it, they're accumulating Dogecoin because they know its mass potential in the future. He even goes on to say this: even without inflationary changes, the price could still hit $1. The cryptocurrency has 130 billion coins outstanding. A $1 price per coin will still leave it 55% the size of Ethereum, the world's second largest crypto. And because the only marginal trade matters in asset pricing, even a few major account owners could theoretically send values soaring. Most importantly, let's go ahead and do some technical analysis on Dogecoin and see where we are headed. All right, so I can take a look at a 2-hour chart and zoom out a little bit so we can see a lot more history with the price of Dogecoin dating all the way back to February 5th. But what we can see here is that since this major correction, which I called out, I called a reversal at this level here. And if you would have took that trade like I called out in my Discord group, you would be up 68%. And that is from last, February 23rd. I've also called out other plays for Dogecoin. And guys, look, Dogecoin is continually moving up. We are in an uptrend. Look, we have a low here. That's the first low. We have the next low, but the next low is higher. The next low here, it is higher. The next low here, it is higher. So we saw an uptrend. However, our uptrend was broken. And what happened was we sold off a little bit and then we corrected again. But if we take another look, here's the bottom. And since then we have corrected, we're going up. We have another low, but the low is higher. The high is higher. So that is an indication of an uptrend. Whenever the highs are higher and the lows are higher, that means we are moving up. We're in an uptrend, and that we're going to continue to move up until we break down, like we broke down at this level. But look, the lows here, here, and here that continually get higher, especially this high here. So now we are pretty much at 6 cents, which means that we are going to continue to travel up. But remember, a couple videos ago, I believe it was last week, maybe Friday, I called out levels of resistance that we're going to come up and test. And these levels of resistance we actually just broke. But look, you see these wicks right here? These were levels of resistance as well. And they were approximately at the 6 cent level, which we have failed to pass through. So we still have a level of resistance here, guys, which I called out on Friday, that we're going to come up and test. But look, we came up and tested it, but we were rejected, which is fine because our price is continually moving up. So what we have to do is we have to not only surpass this level of resistance, but we must confirm the level of the resistance by breaking out of it. Just because you break out of it doesn't mean that you're going to continue to break out of it. You can have false breakouts where the price breaks out, but it ends up going back down and maybe going down further. So we had a potential false breakout. But I think within the next couple of days, especially being an altcoin season, that we can destroy this level of resistance, break out past it. And what happens if you break past the level of resistance? That new level of resistance, which is an area that is difficult to surpass or to break through, or nearly impossible at times, becomes our level of support, which means we won't go past it, that we won't break any lower below it. So I think because we are in altcoin season, we are going to start seeing Dogecoin start to pump, especially in the month of April. Like I called out a major breakout like we saw last week, and it happened. And there's going to be a lot more breakouts that I'm going to be calling out in my Discord and my Patreon. So make sure you guys subscribe and go ahead and sign up for that. And I would love to talk to you guys in the Discord. It's an awesome growing community. So my price prediction for the month of April is I would like to see us at 7 cents. I think conservatively we can hit 7 cents. So if you guys liked today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and put in the comments below what your price prediction is for the month of April. And I will see you guys in the next one.